Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss a chapter named Bholi from our book Footprints Without Feet. First of all, we are going to deal with the introduction of the chapter. Bholi is a story written by K.A. Abbas. The story revolves around a girl who, due to accidental fall and disease in her childhood, faces the problem of being dull and ugly. The girl, Bholi, due to some mishappening in her childhood, becomes ugly and dull. She is always a target by everyone for not being good looking and intelligent. Everybody used to make fun of Bholi because she isn't good looking and intelligent. Her life turns when she joins a nearby school where her teacher encourages her and helps her to become a learned and confident person. There is a turning point in her life when she starts going to a nearby school as her teacher always encourages her, motivates her, helps her to be a learned and confident personality. Later in the story, circumstances arise where Bholi has to give acceptance to the marriage with an unequal match but rejects it when she sees her father pleading to the bridegroom when he demands dowry. Bholi's parents suggest her to get married with an unequal match, but she rejects the same as she comes to know that her father was requesting the boy, the bridegroom, to get married with his daughter, and the boy was demanding, asking dowry. The story shows the rise of a girl against social injustice. So, this is a story of a girl who was considered foolish by people, who was considered simpleton by people, but she becomes strong enough to stand against social injustice. Now we are going to deal with the message of the story. Bholi is a story of a simple rustic girl. She was ignored because of pock marks on her face. As we have already discussed, she was a slow learner. She had to tie knot to a lame. Tie knot means to get married. Old widower who asked for dowry. She refused to marry such a greedy person and decided to serve the village. She stood firm and determined. Her strength of character made her lead an exemplary life. Her attributes might inspire society to make their girls self-confident and independent. The lesson emphasized on eradicating means removing illiteracy and spreading awareness, as only education guarantees a better future. Theme of the story: Bholi is a story of a village girl who was discriminated as she had pock marks on her face, stammered means to speak with involuntary pauses, not be able to speak properly, and was considered to be a simpleton. Bholi suffered an attack of smallpox when she was just 2 years old. She damaged a part of her brain when she fell off from the coach. Education transformed a dumb cow into a fearless and courageous girl. First, she agreed to marry an unequal match, Bishambar, just to maintain the honor of the family. her father, Ramlal, even put his turban at the feet of the greedy bridegroom, he accepted to marry a girl with pockmarks only after getting 5,000 rupees as dowry. Bholi showed the courage of throwing away the ceremonial garland into the fire. She refused to have a mean, greedy, and contemptible coward like Bishambar Nath as her husband. Justification of the title. The title of the story is ironical. The real name of the girl is Sulekha, but everyone used to call her Bholi. It was so because she was considered to be less than her siblings. She couldn't speak properly, which made everybody laugh at her. The title serves an ironic purpose, as at the end of the story, it is not the same Bholi that we find fighting for the right thing. A small gesture of care and love from her teacher helped her to transform, and there she stood as an intelligent and powerful girl who was no more dumb driven. We will deal with character sketch of the story now. First of all, Bholi. She was thought to be a simpleton, to be a foolish by the people. She went to school. Teacher encouraged her. She refused to marry a greedy and mean person. She decided to serve old parents and teach in the same school. Ramlal, father of Bholi. He was father of 7 children. He was always worried about Bholi because Bholi was neither good looking nor intelligent. He overlooked Bishambar's age and limping, and he suffered from a false sense of humor. The teacher, Bholi's teacher, kind and sympathetic personality, increased Bholi's interest in books, encouraged Bholi to speak properly, to speak confidently, agreed to accept Bholi as a teacher in the same school. So the teacher played a vital role to make Bholi self-confident and independent.